You are watching a 360-degree drag race video. That means you can change the camera angle by either tilting your mobile device or dragging the cursor on your desktop's browser window. If you want to watch the proper drag race video of these particular cars, then click on the pop-out banner in the top right-hand corner of the screen or on the link below the video to watch the full drag race video. Anyway, on with the race.
Oh, it's pretty close off the line, but I think I've got him. Come on. Is he pulling me back a little bit? No, come on BMW, the competition pack rules. This time.
So then, what exactly happened? Well, the M5 competition pack got a great launch and took 11.1 seconds to do the quarter mile. The E63S was just behind with 11.3 seconds.
Now we're going to have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour. I'm going to count it in. 3, 2, 1, go! God, he just picked up so much quicker. Am I catching him now though? Not at all. In fact, there's nothing in it. I'm starting to pull it back now, bailing out. That won that, no problem at all.
Thanks for watching this 360-degree drag race video. Now check out the full video by clicking on the pop-out banner in the top right-hand corner of the screen or on the link below the video.